Hey, Aaron here from 3D Marketer and Nelson on the camera. We got with us Dr. Brett Schock. He's a local chiropractor here in Port St. Lucie, and we were working with him for just 24 hours maybe. We ran this campaign, and what were kind of the results that you've seen here?
We have very good results. We had about 40 leads generated and booked just under half of those as appointments, so it was very successful.
Awesome. What kind of marketing have you done in the past before us, or what kind of marketing that has, what are the results for those in the past?
We've done some other social media marketing, print marketing, and things like that, and the other marketing has been successful with spending a significant amount of money. You know? So I would say, as far as what we did, the amount of money that I spent on it was minimal, and the return was pretty high.
Fantastic. And just for how much is one of those leads, potential leads, worth to you? Just a round figure here.
Yeah, I guess it kind of depends on the case. Sometimes simple things are not necessarily worth a ton of money, but a complicated case will come in and it'll be worth $2,000, I guess.
Wow.
You could call.
Cool. Well, any other things you want to say to our viewers out there, or anyone who might be wanting to try us out but not really sure about if we're good or not with marketing and anything like that?
I think these guys definitely know what they're doing. I think they're good at what they do at the Facebook marketing, and I think if you're on the fence, give them a try and see what they do for you.
Cool. Well, thanks, Dr. Brett.
All right,
Appreciate
buddy.
it.
Have a good one.
Bye.